Spocket versus AutoDS, which is better for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video will take a look at two popular dropshipping platforms that offer a wide range of different features to grow our business. Basically, we'll take a look at the features, differences, unique features like pros, cons. We'll take a look at the pricing. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform better for you, and also I'll show you the way of how to get best conditions you can basically use, you can get on both platforms. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. And let's start on there. Like common features, of course, both Spocket and AutoDS offer a wide range of products from suppliers all over the US and Europe. Also, both platforms offer automated order fulfillment, so you don't have to manually process orders, and both of them offer integrations with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and so on. So it's really good because both of them are really good with different integrations. And let's find the differences. So for example, in product selection, Spocket offers a wider range of products than AutoDS, with over 1 million products to choose from. AutoDS offers a smaller selection of products, but they're all hand-picked and vetted for quality, which is really good. And shipping times, Spocket offers faster shipping times than AutoDS. Most Spocket products ship within 2 to 5 business days, which is really fast as for dropshipping, while AutoDS products typically ship within 7 to 14 business days, like 1 or 2 weeks. And pricing, Spocket offers a free plan, while AutoDS offers a paid plan starting at $20 per month. So now let's take a look at their unique features, what's the difference between them. So unique features for Spocket, like branded invoicing. Spocket allows us to create branded invoices with your own logo and branding, which is pretty cool if you want to run something like this. Also, product samples. Spocket offers a product sample program that allows you to order samples of products before you sell them. And for example, on AutoDS, we have a product research tool. AutoDS offers a product research tool that helps us to find profitable products to sell, which is really good. And they have order tracking system. They provide us the opportunity to track the status of our orders in real time, so we can share this information to our customers. And if you're going to speak about pricing, we can see on Spocket we have different plans, like Pro plan, Starter, and Free. And on AutoDS we also have 3 plans, depends on what basically platform would like to interact with. Prices may look a little bit different, and of course if we're going to pay annually, we'll save a lot more. So I strongly recommend you to use this feature if you want to interact with Spocket or AutoDS, it doesn't matter. So if you want to work for a long time, just simply buy the early subscription. And pros and cons, basically Spocket has a wide range of products, fast shipping times, free plan available. But cons, limited integrations, no product research tool. For AutoDS, we can definitely say that handpicked and vetted products is pros, robust order tracking system, product research tool, but they have a smaller selection of products, slower shipping times, and no free plan. But you can get 1 month or 3, basically only for $1 if you are going to use my link at the description, so make sure to use it. And the same thing for Spocket, you'll get the best conditions on the link with the description. And in conclusion, we can say that Spocket and AutoDS are both solid dropshipping platforms with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Spocket is a good choice for businesses that want a wide range of products and fast shipping times. AutoDS is a good choice for businesses that want hand-picked and vetted products and a robust order tracking system. Ultimately, the best choice, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. So use links at the description. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.